Good morning, my YouTube Shorts people. I don't really talk in my videos, but today I'm going to be giving y'all a fit check and a voice reveal. Okay, anyways, this is American Eagle, Shein, Free People, Birkenstocks. These are EU my grandma's friend this is a little store in downtown, I don't remember. It's from my grandpa, my great-grandma, and Kendra Scott. And I was at the beach this weekend and I got quite sunburnt. Guys, it literally hurts so bad. So pray for my sunburn. And just a word of encouragement to you guys today would be, just have fun today. I know it's a Monday, but I feel like everyone just puts a label on Mondays to be a bad day, but it doesn't have to be a bad day today, guys. Have a great day. And you're gonna get an A on that test. You are gonna get your work done. Here's my dog. And you are gonna clock it at practice. And you are gonna win that game. I don't know what you're doing, but yeah. Anyways, I hope y'all have an amazing day.